Pro-choice, your vote. With 5 days to go until Election Day, we are taking a much closer look at Measure 106, a controversial amendment that pits pro-life versus pro-choice.
It could ban taxpayer dollars for covering abortions. And KEZI 9 News reporter Michael Severin spoke to people on both sides of this issue and is live tonight in the studio.
Yeah, that's right, Matt and Renee. A yes vote on Measure 106 would change the state's constitution, making it illegal in most cases to use taxpayer money for abortions.
Measure 106 is a backdoor ban on abortion.
I cannot remain silent on this issue.
Supporters of Measure 106 and their opponents are making their voices heard as Election Day draws ever closer. Oregon is just one of 17 states that uses public money for abortions. Patients include low-income women, state workers, or anybody who gets their health care through the state. And a yes vote on Measure 106 would put an end to that. Cindy Brunk, a pro-life advocate and author, says she hasn't supported a political measure in 20 years. She says her own experience with abortion is making her support the measure.
I believe this is grabbing back and taking away the state involvement on a very personal, divisive subject. And anyone who believes that life begins at conception is either unaware or, I think, amiss by not voting yes for this.
But Chelsea Jennings, the statewide field director for the No on 106 campaign, who also works for Planned Parenthood, says every woman in the state should be able to decide when to become a parent regardless of their income or how they are insured.
It's going to disproportionately affect low-income women who are already struggling to make ends meet here in Oregon. They're living from paycheck to paycheck, and an unexpected expense for them, is a hardship.
According to the state, Oregon spends $2.9 million a year on abortions. If Measure 106 passes, they estimate spending will actually go up because of the projected increase in births and the cost of corresponding health care. Now, there are some exceptions that will continue if Measure 106 passes, including cases of rape and incest, as well as some medical complications. Matt, Renee.